Welcome everyone. Well, ahead of the New York session, but in the New York kill zone. Let's see what's happening, right? We went down to the 15-minute fair value gap that we were talking about in the London session. It was sideways all the way along. Repriced this fair value gap, this upper 15-minute, and then spiked down. The big question, where to go, right? As always. ES also went up there and repriced this area. Let me give a different color. And so as you can see, ES also made its move. I wonder if the sell-off will continue or not. Is this fair value gap going to hold? Are we going to go lower? This is technically, by the way, a bearish breaker. The whole thing that Powell did yesterday, it's like a bearish breaker. But still, do not forget that, what do we have? We have sell side, by the way, down there. Let's mark it up here. Sell side liquidity. And there you go. We have sell side liquidity at 166. And if we look at the higher time frames, you can definitely go to 147.50. So we have liquidity down there. On the daily, well, we have an unbalanced price range up there, and by unbalanced I mean this area between the bodies are absolutely Viox here there. Yay. Welcome. This area is somewhat a new day gap, basically. So it's a new day opening gap. Right? So where the hell is that? It's not too far. So new day opening gap right there. I wonder what's going to happen. I'm still thinking it can go to 380. You know what? I think you're right. We do have the possibility to go into the 380s up there. And let's not forget that this one, well, yeah, make a new high, reprice this small section there and move up. Let's check the regular trading hour gaps. Right now we are at 340, which brings us here, so that's not a big deal. We definitely have targets, especially if we look yesterday's high. 340, we are inside here. Still go up there. Pretty much in the middle. Pretty much in the middle. This fair value gap has been so-called mitigated. I know ICT don't like this word mitigated, but let's just go up there. The 400s are up there. I'm just gonna put a line to the 400s just to see that it's a whole number. 400 right there. All right. Otherwise, if we dive deeper to the 1 minute, there is nothing. So just the usual stuff. I'm gonna have to make a phone call quick. All right. So we basically took liquidity from this fair value gap, brought it down there, back in the range, and that's it. So we can speculate on the higher time frames, but you know, we have fair value gaps on ES a little bit higher. If I look at higher time frames, not much to do here. We're just gonna have to wait. At this point, in this range, there's nothing to do. Absolutely nothing. Okay. Just looking at some other charts, but nothing. We have orders above 52 and below 35. Not much to do. Some movement. Some movement on NQ. Not too much. You have a few highs at 64. And that's it. It's the waiting game, guys. Just the waiting game. A little bit of a breakout there again. Might try to go lower here. Let me move my lines here just a little bit. It wants to go lower. I'm not going to do anything with it. It wants to go lower, I'll let it. Okay. Let's wait. Oh, it's breaking the lows. Alright. That's nice. Let's see. What kind of lows are we breaking here? This one wants to go down. It should break the 20s. At least. If it wants to go down. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what it wants. Before market open, it could just shaking out everyone. Could be just a shakeout. Inducement or real move? Well, hard to tell. You know, before market open, it's well, interesting for sure. I mean, the fair value gap lower hasn't really been taken that with that big how should I say, that big of a volume. It just poked into there and then went higher, so who knows if they want to send it down again below the 300s. I don't know. Not sure about that. Could be. But nobody knows this. Made the new low now, so it can also retrace back up there. And maybe this is how it's going to look like until market open. All we can do is observe and see what they want to do here. It's grinding lower slowly, but no, I take it back. It's just stuck here. it looks more bullish on the big picture on the 15-minute. It has some nice highs up there, waiting for being taken out. So I don't know. On the 1 minute, it's like a structure shift to the downside. I don't know if they want to do anything with this drop before the market opens up. So do they want to send it lower? Do they want to send it higher? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Kind of looked like a bearish order block as well, but at this point it's hard to tell. At first glimpse I thought it's gonna drop to the 300s, down to the 300 level, just to see what's going on there. But now I have no idea, so I'm just deleting my limit orders. There were some limits there, but I'm just gonna leave them. It's market open, it's close, so let's don't do anything crazy here. Even if it drops lower, I think it's just gonna range until the next 19 minutes anyway. We're gonna have better setups after this, for sure. All right, let me know what you guys think about the situation. Is it gonna go up or down? Is it gonna wipe some more, sweep some liquidity, actually? Sahit, hey there, good morning. Well, I ended up about break even with a slight loss. I was scalping all around, but it was cool. Nothing extra, actually, with micros. So technically scratch. I'm just looking, maybe we could have some better volume today in the New York session. So who knows? Market open is close. ES, well, for now it looks like it may want to drop, but that can change in a matter of seconds. So anyway, that's it. How are you guys doing? If anyone wants to grab a discount with Apex, it's 71% down right now. Or there's a good sale at BULENOX too. So you can grab, for example, a 50K account for $43 end of day trailing. Just saying. Not a bad deal. But Apex lets you with an account that has $35 resets. So if unfortunately you blow the account, you can quickly reset it for a very friendly fee of $35. Grab your discounts. You will catch some good moves today, I know. Well, let's hope so. Let's hope so. Thank you so much. And Shahid, I hope that you'll do the same as well. I really hope. So I don't have super high expectations. I'm just gonna wait it out. At least we should wait out some kind of a possible direction where they want to put price, and then maybe we will have something. Let me know what you guys are doing or what you guys think, because so far we are ranging on both NQ and both ES, so in a ranging market. Yeah, 10 a.m. news. Absolutely. Absolutely. We have to keep that in mind. Bookmap says we have some liquidity at 100 contracts around the 30s. Which is somewhat close, but of course they have it because there's no liquidity in the market, so everyone is just waiting, and it will stay like that. We are at 50% of range, so no trade. Well, yeah, it's like really a 50-50% from this level. If long, I want to see us dip to, yeah, definitely. We're looking for some discount arrays to seek for long positions. Even if I look at the 15-minute, we're pretty much ranging. I'm trying to look for possible targets, maybe on the 1 hour. There's this huge doji candle, which is also kind of an indecision, but I don't know. This new day opening gap could be great to rebalance it. By rebalancing, I mean that an up close candle right above, well, it should be closing above 470, the daily candle. So if you're assuming that as a rebalancing, that we should be bullish today, or the bias could be staying bullish. London session went down, swept a little bit of Asia lows, accumulating the positions. Now, I don't know, manipulation, now distribution should come, but who knows? Papa knows. I took a long on NQ on that mini sweep. Yeah, targeting the 430s. Okay. Okay. Nice. That's a good target, actually. 430s up there. Well, you should be doing fine with that. You should be actually doing fine with that. That's a good trade. That is actually an awesome trade, guys. Let me put this here and here. So that's a good one. I guess we're gonna have to wait this one out as usual. I'm looking for a possible entry here. I wanted to look at the Russell as well. What is happening with the Russell index? Who knows, right? Still feels like on the 1 minute it looks bearish, but only market open will tell. Excuse me. Time will tell. Exactly. By the way, guys, until we're waiting, please push the like, do subscribe to the channel, and let me just tell you, it's time to grab your accounts. Good discounts with Apex, use my code. Also, BULENOX has the cheapest accounts right now. But overall, if you want to spare some money on the activation fee, my funded futures is the best. 24% down on expert accounts. So there is one more news, which is going to be the ISM manufacturing PMI data at 10 a.m. It's going to be 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, P-Trader, we're looking to take some of that movement, hopefully, but otherwise, that's all. By the way, check out my latest video and drop a like there as well. I'm talking about some realities about prop firm trading. What else do we have? ES is also made a structural shift to the downside. Poked into that liquidity. If we go to the 1 hour on ES, what do we have down there? Does it really want to go? I look at the daily here. Well, ES can also drop all the way down there, to 48, 42, 48, 43 maybe. VRC, welcome again. I like that everybody is an OG here. It's so awesome. It's just awesome. I like that. I like it. I like it. So I have some new content ideas. I'm gonna compare some prop firms. I know there are some other videos on that, but at least it's going to be updated. So I'm going to compare some videos, prop firms in a video, and I'm going to also peek into the results of what I'm having with the indicators that I was testing. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. What else is there? So NQ is right there. It's dropping. Okay. Everything is cool. We have 7 minutes. 7 minutes until the market open. Let's try to go with that. Right now, hovering in this consolidation is better to be seen on the 15-minute. As you can see, full barcode chart here. But we can clearly see that it tried to reprice almost the whole range on the 15-minute fair value gap, then dip down, poked a little bit inside that. Actually, not too far, 20 points down. No fair value gaps on the 5 minute or anywhere, so it has to take out a low or a high eventually. So let's see. 4 minutes. $23. Well, yeah. Could go down there easily. Easily, it can spike down there. Let me know what you guys are thinking. What's the strategy for you guys? This looks tempting. The 303, look at that. It's like we have liquidity down there. We definitely have liquidity down there. The open will tell. Look at that, it's going down now. It's gonna spike down. It's only 10 points. 100% sure that it's gonna spike down. It just has to, right? How far is that? It's real close. It has to take it out. Now it's gonna take. There you go. It took it out. Did it? Took it out, right? Almost. What's the low of this candle? 302.25, and the low here is 302.50. Should be taking it out. It was a nice drop. Just pre-market session here. So next target is the big question. Well, as I said, we can go much lower here. All the way down, repricing this fair value gap. Anyway. This time I keep my micro to the end. Okay, I prepared it. Went to 7. Oh, I see. Well, it's all about patience. Okay, guys. Let's see the market open. Cover your ears. The bells are going to ring in 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. All right. Open for business. Nasdaq wants to push. ES is like a rocket, is going up there like crazy. NQ still down there. ES failed to push, rejected immediately. Watching ES. Be careful, everyone. Don't take any harsh movements. Is this gonna go? I don't know. Tried to scalp it, didn't made it. Wasn't really worth it. Quick scalp, but no, I'm not scalping it. Should have held it a little bit more, but the thing is, we don't know that how far is this going to go. Yeah, as you can see, it's going back up there. And ES, look at ES. I think it wants to take out those highs. If that's the case, then NQ will follow eventually. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, NQ can follow this. Is it gonna follow? Who knows? We don't know. Scalping here and there. Now it's turning down again. What the hell is going on? Careful with the scalps, guys. Hey Zoltan! Welcome, Adjisten. Üdvözöllek. So, better be careful. Better be careful. Better be careful. This news driver was a little bit crazy there. Shook the market all the way, and now ES is also struggling. It's stuck inside this range. And NQ also stuck here. With no real plan. Yeah, look at that. We have to wait for the news at 10 a.m. Until then, it's hard to say. So let's just wait for it. Do we have a trend line here? Well, could be having one. Liquidity targets. Well, have a few up there. Should be pushing to the 40s. If it wants to go up there. ES wants to push to the highs. But having some trouble. All right. Gonna buy here. This is just a micro scalp, so nothing serious there. Might going to close it manually with a small loss if it's not pushing higher. I don't like it. Okay, I closed it. I was just scalping, guys. There's nothing extra. With micros, of course. So, a little bit of a trend line break here. Good thing I closed it. Diamond hands, right? Diamond hands. You can also re-enter here. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait until news, and that's it. That's about it. So 25 minutes staying flat, guys. We're gonna stay flat. Actually, the only thing I can do here is maybe take a paper trade. How about that? Took a paper trade. There you go. Targeting this high. And the stop should be right there. So this is just a paper trade. It's not a real one. But this was my original entry, and no, not the entry, but my original target was to take out that high. Maybe it's a good thing that I didn't enter. Sometimes it's good to let out some steam on paper trading accounts just to see how your original plan would have gone. I do like that. Alright, now it wants to go. All we need is volume. Let's go. It should be taking that out. So the original plan so far looks good, but if this would go a little bit higher, I would just move my stop to break even. There. Moving it to break even. It can go down. It can take me out. Just paper trading, guys. Until news. And it's just a scalp. There you go. That's why we like paper trading. I'm still up 200. Alright. So we're gonna range and we're just gonna have to wait. ES stuck here as well. It looks like a bullish breaker. So we might go back into that gap up there. We're just gonna have to wait. We're just gonna have to wait. Nasdaq is down again. Look at that. Was there a structure shift? Almost. Let me delete this. But that was not a classic trend line break, right? No. It wasn't. Okay. There's a cat on the tree right here. Again. It wants to hunt down some pigeons. You should see that. You guys should see what I see. A cat is on the tree and wants to grab some pigeons. Oh, look at that. It wants to go up. Oh, it can climb higher. Can't. Oh yeah. Cats are hunters. Anyway. Chopping here. This is so typical New York AM session in the past few weeks. This always happens. Oh my. I'm gonna get that on camera. Nice. He's gonna get tired up there. Anyway. I'm gonna show you the picture a little bit later. Look at this range. Yeah, what a market open. This deserves an applause. A real market open. Just chopping around. Okay, finally NQ tries to make a move. But I'm afraid it's not gonna be enough. And what do you know, Nasdaq back to the range. What is the crime? S&P Global Manufacturing PMI final for prior 50.3. Yes, exactly. We're waiting for this. So let's see the numbers. The prior is 50.3. What do you guys think? And we also, I know, it's the different one. We have level of the We're just gonna wait. But thank you for joining, by the way. What is the crime? Unusual name, but I like it. I like the name. What is the crime? Most likely price is not going to do anything for this data. We have to wait for the 10 a.m. news. But I don't know. News are coming out in a few seconds. Is it going to shake the market? Let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh no, nothing. Nothing serious. ES moving a little bit. Nothing extra. Okay, we're at the same place. I'm gonna wait for the next news. 50.7. 50.7. Wow. Okay. All right. Actual 50.7. Yeah, so I think it's good. Yeah. It's kind of good news, but Nasdaq is well, it shook a little bit, but it's technically staying at the same place. What the hell is this music? Now it's going up, so basically we are stuck inside the range. No major move. It is what it is, guys. Yes, trying to poke into that area. I hate this, because it's, it makes the New York session basically untradeable, honestly, and it's a little bit frustrating because, I mean, a few years ago it wasn't like this. They spread the news, so you have the futures open, you have the stock market open, then you have news. And the news are separated in 1 hour, so it makes it difficult to concentrate on which news driver you want to really trade to. But anyway, this whole thing is the way they did it. I just don't like it. And as you can see, ES is stuck in the range as well. Nothing is moving. NQ is stuck in the range as well. Because everybody is waiting. Everybody is waiting for news. Nobody is doing anything. It's just, sweeping some liquidity here and there. But that's all. So have to wait 10 a.m. news, and then also have to wait a few minutes after that, at least 5 or 10 minutes, to see where it wants to go. So most likely we're not going to have any kind of reaction, at least for 20 minutes, or direction that I meant to say. I know it's 48, but have to give the market a few minutes to see where they want to go. So in 15 or 20 minutes, so inside that range, we're not going to see a clear direction anyway. So until then, you still have time to push the like, and you still have time to subscribe and be updated with my new video where I share some results, what I had with this fantastic indicators I was announcing a few weeks ago in a video. Check it out and grab your discounts. Cheapest account right now is with BULENOX, I think, but Apex has the best value. So check that out too. If you grab an Apex account, and if by some bad luck you would blow your account, you can reset it for $35, which is a good deal. I think it's a great deal. NQ edging lower. But still in the range. So if we look at the 15-minute chart, oh my god, I think I should just come here to stream at the PM session or after lunch hour or somewhere around there, because the AM sessions in New York are just, I'm sorry, cover your ears, take the children away. AM sessions are dog shit in New York, I'm sorry. Full dog shit. The whole AM session, especially when news come out, so it's terrible. Look at this range. It's not tradable, it's nothing. Oh, it's not even, sorry. Let's go down to the 1 minute. 1 minute? Really? This is the range that we're trading, guys. This is what we're trading. I'm not even joking, guys. This is serious. Is this really what we want to trade? Untradeable. If you guys are in a position, good luck. It's just a coin toss right now. Absolutely, P-Trader. Barcode trading. This is barcode trading, guys, at its best. You know what? There's a couch behind me. Right there. There's a couch. I'm going to lay down there and sleep. For at least 10 minutes. Or 8, whatever. I'm gonna grab a pillow and I'm going to go to sleep on the couch. 100% sure. Maybe I'm gonna have more viewers too. Because this is I'm serious, guys. I'm gonna lay down on the couch and sleep. Really? There's a nice couch here. Really nice. I just grabbed my pillow and I'm just gonna go to sleep. Actually, no, I'm gonna do that. I am going to do that. This sucks, yeah. This and I remember everyone was saying yesterday, oh, FOMC, FOMC, oh my god, FOMC, oh no, FOMC is coming, nobody trade FOMC. I'm gonna tell you guys, the best price action was at FOMC, the best I've seen in the past 2 weeks. I'm really angry now, I'm sorry. I mean, in a good way angry. The best price action was at FOMC. This is a normal day, right? This is a normal day. This is the best day for trading. Look at this price action. It's a pile of dog shit. This is not price action. This is, I don't even know what this is. But FOMC. Don't trade FOMC because it's dangerous. FOMC is super bad. Go away. Turn down your computer. Yesterday was my best trading day during pre-FOMC. It did everything that it should do. The price action was perfect. But don't trade FOMC, guys. Don't. ICT said, I love ICT, don't get me wrong. Kudos, God bless him. I love ICT, huge respect. Even he says, don't gamble FOMC. The best trades in the past couple of months came from FOMC days. So, I would like to see some argument there. I don't know, some controversial opinion, because I have my best days on FOMC days. So, but the normal days, these are the normal days, guys. This is a normal day. You should trade on the normal days like this, but not FOMC. No FOMC days. I go crazy here, because if I see this shit, you know what I think? I'm wasting my time. I am wasting my precious time, and the biggest value besides money, and it's, I mean, money is not even, besides health. So first health, then time, and then family, and maybe fourth or fifth place is money. But I'm gonna tell you, this is a complete waste of time. So I wish that the news come out real soon and we will see some nice setups. Anyway, I held on until this point, so gonna get some coffee, good idea. And I'm gonna run a few circles around the block or something, because this is absolutely not normal market. FOMC day is great. This is not, this is, I don't even know what to call this. It's a piece of crap. If anyone takes a position in this, you're purely gambling. Just go to the casino and put your money on roulette or something, because there is no setup here. All right, I got this out of my system. I'm sorry, guys. I got this out. I had to get this out of my system, and it feels better now. If I mean, and put my wife put my wife on the washing machine. All right. Put your wife on the washing machine, and, you know, counting on you. And otherwise, that's it. I'm gonna make a tweet. Oh, I'm gonna make a tweet. 4 minute, perfect. You know, when my girlfriend tells me, you got a minute, you know. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna tweet this out. It's gonna be awesome. This tweet is going to be awesome. That's it. New tweet is coming out. Post. What a nice day to trade. Nasdaq. Love day trading. Hashtag NQ. Hashtag day trading. Perfect price action. Can I put some there you go. Feels much better now. 17K 260 area. Really? Let's see. Okay, 260. Yeah, I see what you mean there. All right. Let's get ready. Maybe we have something. News are coming out in 1 minute. What the hell? Okay. So, 30 seconds. I hope everyone is ready. This is Nasdaq. Sorry, this is Nasdaq 2. On the 1 minute chart. 13 seconds. 63. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on! Okay. Price froze. Almost. Went down to 76. Don't know the numbers, but feels like it can go down to the 60s. I don't know. Is it? Is it gonna go down to 62? I don't know. No idea what's happening. Tried to scalp it, but doesn't matter. Almost down at 62, 63, but feels like it doesn't really want anything to do. At least we got the news. Let's see. 49, 61, which is good news, right? Economic health is good. So that's bullish for Nasdaq, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know. Is that bullish for Nasdaq? Is it a bullish thing? Is that? It should be, right? Or no? It's not bullish? Is it bullish or not? Tell me. Okay. Nothing. Alright. I give up. Stuck in the range again. Should be taking out 62. I mean, it's tempting if they want to set it off. To squeeze the longs, but feels heavy though. Do they want it? Scalped again. Not too much, just micros. Otherwise, I have no clean entries. I'm sorry, setups, if I may say. Not sure, but the news will put us there. Yeah, I feel that too. We should visit that area if we see the 63 from 82, 63. We could have a rebalanced price range all the way down to the 62s. So we can try to wait for it a little bit. Feels heavy, to be honest. Feels heavy. I have nothing. I'm gonna wait. So far, even if I put a trend line here, I don't know. They can put this to the highs. All right, took a small long there. Tight stop. I want to see this being pushed all the way up. All right, you guys can see it. I want to see this pushed all the way up there. But my stop is gonna be at break even. My stop is at break even. I'm gonna take a partial if it breaks that high. Oh, missed my TP by 1 tick, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Missed my TP with 1 tick. Now it's gonna go down. What a blah. You know what? I'm just gonna take it out because I'm angry. I've taken it off. It was a scalp trade, so I took it off. But... And now he's gonna take my original TP. Yes, of course. Why not? It took it, right? Almost. Almost. How many points was this? It was 5. Well, at least 10 points. Anyway, tried to scalp. Didn't really go as it planned, but still okay. Now it's gonna take out that high. Of course, it's gonna take it out. Of course, should have been more patient, but still. Made 2 scalps before. I'm fine with that. This is still dangerous because after news we should wait like 5 to 10 minutes minimum. That would be the minimum time to wait. It can still go down, of course. But let's check for possible liquidity areas on the upside there. I mean, if I look at the 15-minute, it just feels like it has a hard time to go up there. But ES is pushing, so I might be wrong here. Oh, there you go. It took out my original TP. Nice job. I got scared. That's why I exited. So 03, 023, yeah. What could be the target? Could be going for these highs at 38. Entry is not... Yeah, there you go. The entry is... The risk reward was not cool. The risk reward was absolutely not cool with that. Let's see. Yeah, it might want to break out from this range. ES also trying. Let's go to the 15 minute. ES may try to go and reprice this whole gap. NQ, I think NQ wants to seal that high at 64. Can we see this go to the 64s? I think we can. Took a buy up there. Shouldn't chase it though. If I see it dipping, I'm just gonna close it. I put a hard stop here. This is not my original stop. I'm just gonna use it. No, actually, I'm gonna add 2 more micros, and this should be it. 64, and now it's fine. Might close it. Are we going to have it or not? It's 64. It's the high. Let me see again. Oh, 63.75. Sorry. Still. Not looking good. Not looking good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get taken out here. My stop is in that fair value gap down there. Not good news. Ah. In danger. In danger, guys. Danger, danger. Come on, I need 63.75 to break the highs. I need this to break the highs. If it's not, then no problem. We're gonna look for another entry. Damn it. It's gonna break lower. Don't tell me you're not entertained. This is pure action, guys. This is pure action. It's better than John Wick or anything. That should be actually a partial up there, but I don't care. Risk reward is not good on this one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Got taken out. This is trading, guys. I might add the second chance for this one. Looking the 5 minute to close. Because the 5 minute is actually looks like a bullish breaker. And you know what? I'm actually looking to add one more. I'm gonna add micros to this to try to go once more. The limit will be 63.75 again. Yeah, I took it in the pullback. Meldan, welcome to the stream. I'm gonna put a hard stop down there. It's not sure it's gonna be my final stop, but it's gonna be a hard stop. I might add more. If it goes lower, because we actually have liquidity at 33, so down there. If it goes down to 33, I might add more to it to target the 63. Let's see what happens. And welcome to the stream. Did I say that? Huge welcome, and applause to Meldan. So I'm willing to add more, but only if it wants to go down and reprice until the 25 area maybe. But it feels like, almost feels like I want to add more right now. Do it, but I'm not going to. I'm not going to. Awesome. Make sure to push the like button and subscribe to the channel, you know. Oh, look at that. It might want to go down. And grab your discounts, guys. And by the way, I want to encourage everyone who, I mean, one of the best deals at Apex and BULENOX, but also check out my funded futures too. Some good deals there. Use the codes. All right, it's going down. I think it's gonna go down below. Let me tell you, 34.25. So that would be this area right right here. If it goes down there, I might add one more, but that's it. I want to see this break the highs. ES is climbing slowly, so that's kind of a good news. So as long as ES wants to keep fighting again, I'd say it's cool. What was the high? What was the high here? Let me check. The high was, yeah, okay. We're in place. Consolidation. That could mean that we're going to reprice lower to the 5-minute, which is fine. But I don't care. Then I'm going to widen my stop. It can take for a while. Boys and girls. It can definitely take for a while. We're stuck here. Yeah, we have that. Yes, having problems up there. So if this one sells off, anything can happen, of course. Okay, we poked into that level. I did not add to it. Let's see what it wants to do. We are inside of a fair value gap on the 5 minute. I'm gonna lower my stop here, but that's all I can do in terms of risk. To reprice this level and not the thing I wanted to try out at this point, but alright, so I added one more here. Okay. Yeah, stop is going to be still down there. And let's see. That's my final decision. And it's gonna take me out. Nice. Alright. We got taken out. Got burned on this one. It is what it is, boys and girls. It is what it is. Now that we know this, we should decide where the hell this price wants to go from here. Bull flag? Well, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I have really no idea. ES had some tough time up there. It couldn't just, you know, go down and sell like crazy. I'm trying to look for some kind of a pattern here on Nasdaq. Is it wants to sell, or it's just having a tough time to go up? Still, if I look at the ES, well, I don't know. It is really hard to tell. It's really hard. No clear way here. I don't know if they want to sell this or what they want to do with it. I have no idea. So we're gonna wait more. NQ actually have almost relative equal highs up there, which is interesting. Right here, as you can see. So that looks good, but as for scalping, I'm not sure. For scalping purposes, I'm not sure. We are just going to be patient of what they want to do. It can go both sides here. So there's scenarios for both sides. If we're going higher, there is a fair value gap to reprice. If we're going lower, there is some almost relative equal highs and lows both ways. So and if they just wanted to reprice this level, then they were succeeding with a great deal here. Yeah. So this could go to 63 again. At least try to. Oh, by the way, I entered to a long on Nasdaq. I'll be very cautious this time. Are we going to 63 or not? That's the question I want to know. It's not far. 63.75 is the high. Is it want to break it or not? To get out from this range. Seems it wants to go. Have some equal highs up there, but I'm not so optimistic right now. It needs 13 points still. Let's go. Come on. Take that. Fuck. Take it. All right. I took it off manually. I just can't handle the pressure, guys. No, at least I covered my losses. So that's it. I couldn't handle it. I should have been taking profit before that. So the high was 63.75. Now it should be taking it, but there you go. But it was still a good trade. At least I covered my losses, so I'm fine. I'm perfectly fine. We stuck in the imbalance and 15-minute opening candle range. Above we have order block and high resistance of the yeah. Exactly. no problem. At least I covered everything. So I couldn't be happier. I'm fine. I'm fine. But still, this is almost like seek and destroy, but I don't know. Look at that. ES is climbing to the 4900s. Can go up to 4905. I did like this. It was real pressure. So let me know what you guys are doing. I was planning to go short after it swept the high of day, but not sure anymore. I think this wants to keep going. Yeah, I still feel some bullish momentum that it wants to go above 85-ish area. Man, this area took me out once, so I gave it a second chance. This was a crazy place for me. Could have held it a little bit longer, but at least I covered my losses. So I'm happy about that. That doesn't mean we're going to rest. What can we do here? If it wants to go down, so what if this is a seek and destroy pattern? You know, what if this is one of those days after FOMC? I don't know. I'm just asking. I'm not taking a trade here. I'm just... Oh wow, 10 points down. It can go easy. Easy 10 points down. Could have taken it. Look at that. Now it's at 58. It can go down to 48 super easy. Look at this candle. Look at it. It's gonna go down to 48. We're just observing, no trade. It's gonna go down to 348. 348. 348. By the way, anyway, nothing. It's gonna go down. 348. Trust me. We're just theoretically speaking. 348. It's gonna go there. It's like personalized guarantee. 348. I shorted, but risky. It is risky. That's why I didn't take it. But no, careful. My stop loss would be extremely tight, about maybe 669-ish. That would be my stop. But if you can take multiple position, 348 or 349 would be TP1 level if you're scalping for 10 points. But still, I'm saying 348, it will go down there. Look at this, 348. Told you, personalized guarantee, 348. It's gonna go there. All hands on deck, 348, 348, all hands on deck. It's gonna go down. Should I do some ASMR? It's going to go down there. 348. It's going to happen. 348. It's in the crosshairs. 348. Push the like button if you like ASMR. We're going to do a show tomorrow about that as well. Yesterday went 450, then 250. Oh, with 2 micro. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, now the 348 is a little bit in danger right now. I don't like this candle formation. Yeah. I can't tell you what to do now. I know what I would do, but it's up to you. I just don't like this candle. It should have fallen down by now. I don't like that it's holding. Crypto Panda, good morning. And Crypto Panda deserves our usual applause. They heard me. 348, all hands on deck, 348. $348. 348, all hands on deck, 348. I don't like when all these candles are lining up without breaking lower. This is a bullish sign, so this can be very, 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 very. They're watching. I'm telling you, it's all about the market makers. Damn it! Lower your risk. Did it go? Did it go above? Oh my god, this is so... I told you guys 348. I told you. It's 348. Oh, great. I was writing them an email actually yesterday. And you know what, Crypto Panda? It's actually true. It's actually true. I did wrote them an email yesterday. I did write them an email. 348, come on, 348, come on. Everybody comments, comments, comments. 348. Alright, squadron, 348, dive, 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 dive. Alright, squadron, dive. What if the algo is actually monitoring all YouTube channels? It can't be, because it's AI now, you know. 348, 348. Come on. That's too far. I'm not in a trade, by the way. I'm just hoping that Maverick gets his trade right there. I'm flat. I have nothing open yet. I'm just saying 348. Anyway, no matter that I wrote them an email, they just changed their client area, but their website is still from 2003, so 2002 actually, or 2001. So their website is wanna trade, just subscribed. Thank you. And let's all welcome Wanna Trade. Thank you for joining us. I'm sorry, we're just having we just have to do some fun stuff fun stuff in this crazy price action. As you can see, Nasdaq is basically stopped. So what should we do? 348, 348, squadron, dive, 348. We called down 348. Made a few scalps. WannaTrade is going to unsubscribe. We have to show some seriousness here. Please don't leave me, guys. Just subscribe. Donation links below. If you're super rich or have a Lambo, consider the donation link. Yeah, or buy a few Apex accounts, or My Funded Futures is also a good choice, by the way. I made my profit in long. So who is taking a trade then? Who is in a short? Wyox is in a short, right? Oh, Wyox shorted. All right, sorry. So Wyox is short. So this all goes to Wyox. He's short. Maybe he lost his pants already. But he's short. It all depends. Is it gonna work out? Let me find some cool music. All right. Is it going to turn out good? Are we going to reach 48? We're almost there. Almost. White shirts, red shirts. Everybody short. Apex. TOPSTEP. My Funded Futures. Who knows? And almost touched it, but missed it with one tick. Everybody get ready. And I think we just got it. Yes. Oh my god. The correct answer. Ah. Oh, alright. Well. Congratulations, everyone who shorted to 348. That's it. Only one micro. Can you buy a coffee on that one? Oh man. Now congratulations, Wyox. You're paying all the profits from now on, and that's it. So actually, by the way, if you look at this particular trade, the trend line break actually worked out. Well, it was a little bit dangerous, but it actually turned out good for the first target. The rest of it, I don't know. That was so much risky. Hey, you took it on your own. I didn't tell you what to do there. Oh god, but hey, what can you do in a price action like this? You know, we have to make some fun. I mean, look at this. What a price action. What is ES doing right now? I'm gonna make a chocolate shake. What do you guys think? I'm gonna make a chocolate shake. I forbid. What? Still thinking it can go up 80? I think so too. To be honest, I think we have all the chances in the world to go up to 80, especially because we repriced this 5-minute gap right here. So we have all the chance to go up there. So yeah, good luck, good luck, good luck. 80 is in the crosshair definitely, so I'm bullish. I would like to get a chocolate shake or something, but you know, I'm afraid that I'm not going to be finished by the time the setup occurs. So let's make a bet. All right, it's like FanDuel or something. Let's hope that it will happen. All right, I'm gonna go out for a chocolate shake. Nobody goes anywhere. Just stay here, hit the like button, subscribe, and pray. All right, and you know, grab some codes or whatever. I'm gonna be back with my new chocolate shake. All right, do not go anywhere. Just in time. What's happening? Nothing. Nothing? Tell me. Alright, nothing is happening. My chocolate shake is ready. Made with milk. A little bit of sugar as well, so if some of you guys are living a healthy life, I would like to do as well, but not today. You know. I will, though. It's important. But now I'm drinking my chocolate shake. This price action is one of the best, you know. It's one of the best. It really is. It's so great, so great. We love this price action. It's all right. Trying to mix this up. Well, a little bit less effort. All right. What the hell is happening here? 5 minutes. Maybe it's going to give up. I don't know what the hell it wants to do. Seems like we're gonna have a trend line break here again. What? What the hell? Okay, almost. Almost. Alright. Don't really like that. It was almost like a sell-off or something. I don't know. Let's look at that. I'd like to go short on this one. Alright, I went short. Went short. But I might close it. Let's see. First TP should be down there. 28. There. Come on, just take it. Come on. Go down there. There you go. My stop is gonna be there. And my final TP is gonna be somewhere down there. Alright, it's fine. Alright. 2 partials, and I'm hoping to break that low down there. So that's my target. It was only based on a trend line break. If you guys are asking why. But I couldn't explain on time. Am I still in the trade? Maybe I should... Oh, okay. Took TP. Nice. Alright. Nice, nice. Alright, made a little bit of profit there. Okay, made a nice trade there. Nice short. Cool. Up $200. I like that. I told you guys all I needed is a chocolate shake, and that's it. Mmm. 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 So good. All right. Drop those likes if you like the show. Next week we're gonna have a hot tub set up here. All right. Now it should take out that. We have liquidity down there at 310. Next level. Don't make such noises. My family will get the... Oh. Alright, I get it. What noises? I'm not gonna moan here, don't worry. No moaning. Although let's check out some moaning sound effects. Oh, no. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry about that. That's fine. It's part of the stream. It's actually, I selected that it's for adults only, so over 18 years old. So I'm not violating the terms, you know, on YouTube by anything. So don't worry about that. I have a different one here. Let's see. Okay, that was cool as well. Look at this, we're selling down. What is happening on ES? Double bottom. Okay, everything is selling down, guys. Dive, dive, everyone, dive, dive, dive. All right, I stopped. All right, all right. I'm shocked. Viox is shocked because he had one micro and he would be making like $23 by now. So I'm just, you know, this is joke. This is joke. You know that, right? We're having fun, guys. I decided I'm not going to sit here like I don't know, like a lobster. Like, oh, let's have fun. I wait to be a billionaire. I will think about girls. So let me, you know, you guys all saw this, so I'm not the only one who saw this. Viox actually admitted it, so on you, please make the screenshots. All right, everybody, just save it for later. So I wait to be a billionaire and I will think about girls. Oh man, that's gonna be a I don't want to say it. You predict that. All right, we have lows here. Let's go to the 15-minute. What do we see? Let's go. Seek and destroy. Next stop is 70. Who has the balls to jump into a cell to target the 70? Do you guys have the balls? Anyone has the balls to jump in to take out the 70s. Now you can do so. Risk reward is fine. I think it's gonna take it out. Hard to hold myself back. I'm so tempted to jump in. I'm not gonna. I don't care. I want to enjoy my milkshake. I'm not gonna jump in. Yeah, look at that. 87. It's gonna take the 70s. Question is when. It should be dumping down there, but I'm not gonna take it because it can just stay here. I don't like that. I want to say. Watch for any retracement, but I think it should take out the 70s. Watch out for retracements, you see? I think it will take it out, damn it. All right. Took a short. might add one more. I have a hard stop. This is not my final. I just put it there in case some bomb hits in or something. But I might close it manually and might add one more. Absolutely bad entry, but if I don't see a quick dive, I'm gonna close it. What the hell? Why is it not? Is this on break even? I don't know. I'm gonna close it. Something's wrong with my stop order. Anyway, I closed it. Something's wrong with Quant Tower, by the way. Anytime I try to modify my stop, it's just not registering and it leaves it open without stop loss. So right now it did the same, so I had to close it. So there's some kind of an error issue with Quant Tower. I had the same issue yesterday as well. I don't know why was it. Anyway. Anyway, we took out the slow, and now we're just waiting. So, I hope you guys bought some Apex accounts. Oh, wait a second. So what should happen now? All right, guys. Let's push these. Okay. Just what? Close my trade. Yeah, that was a nice run. Now that we're through with this run, the question is, what is going to happen now? So far as I can tell, this whole thing since the market open was like went down, shook out this place, took sell side here. Oh, it didn't take sell side actually. The low is 62.75. And the low is, oh, it didn't take this low yet. We still have the London low in place, guys. We still have the London low in place. Guys, we still have it. All right. It's a risky one, but I made quite enough profit to have an extra risk. The London low is actually going to be at 62.75. So I put it to 63 there. Quick scalp if we can make it, but I don't know. I have to set my stop loss to, I'm gonna put it somewhere up there as a hard stop, but I might going to close it sooner if it's not going to make a significant retracement down. I mean, if it's not going to finish the move down there. If it goes back up, it's fine. Power 3 maybe, yeah, who knows. We can go all the way back up to 95, which I don't really like, but if we close above 84, there you go, then I might going to close this trade. Manually, of course. Yeah. Let's see. I think we have a trend line here. No, we don't. Yeah, this is gonna close here, so I'm gonna close this trade. Yeah, closed it. It was a small scalp. I closed it with a small loss. I don't like it because, as far as I can tell, we should be going back up to 95 as I expected. There you go, 95 is right there. So I didn't want it to wait for it. So I just cut the loss real quick. $95 is here. Around the corner. Maybe I'll do a buy if it dips down there. But no, it's gonna take out 95. I'm still super happy. I'm in profit, so I'm perfectly fine. Yeah, that's the 5-minute fair value gap there. Not a big deal, but it can go there to, you know, take some liquidity. So if I get tapped into this one here, then, you know, it would be a great scalp. I got filled. And my limit will be 95. Oh no, it's gonna sell down now. Dude, it's playing with me. What's the high of that candle? Actually, I'm gonna check it out here on the 5-minute. The high of that candle is 95.25. My stop is gonna be down there. $76. I'm gonna put it 74. 74. Are we gonna get there? Who knows? Um, 425. I don't know. Are we gonna get it? It's at 95.25, so I'm not taking partials if it goes up there. But we do have a fair value gap for liquidity. And I'm just preparing some stuff here. 74.50. Well, all right. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'll take short at midnight open if it goes there. Well, you can do so. I have a plan here, but I would like to see that level to be taken on the 5-minute. Take some liquidity, you know, before it dips down to take out the daily low. I don't know, a little bit risky. I don't know which way it wants to go. Sometimes it just feels like it wants to give up this level and go lower, as it did right now. That was interesting. Does it want to take out the low, the 64.50 now? Is it really? No idea. Because it was at 63. What was the low again? It was at 62 or 63. I don't even know. Was it that low? Does it really wants to do that? Now maybe it wants to go for that 95-ish level, I don't know. Or it's just repricing this 1 minute candle before it goes, I don't know. No idea. Watching it though. Almost feels like indecision. Is it want to take out the low or just go up to the gap? Because now it took some orders. So I have no idea what it wants. Now it wants to go for those levels, maybe at 95, who knows? Hard to tell, really. I just set some limits there, but I have no idea what it wants right now. Let me know if you have any idea. It should retrace, yeah. It should retrace. Going to that 95 right now, as originally intended. There you go. 95. And now we will see 95 has been taken out if it wants to go lower again. The 15 minute also has a gap. No, nothing. No setup. Yeah, it's below 64, that target that we were talking about. So does it really want to go for that? No freaking idea. It can still go much higher into the middle of the fair value gap and then dump from there. But Stuck here. We are stuck here, guys. No clear direction. It's not want to go down. No direction, guys. If anything, it might want to reprice higher. London low is still in place, by the way. I think it's because everybody wants to sell, and now they just want to push it higher. At least that's what I'm guessing. But it does feel a little bit heavy. Not too much, but a little bit. Doji candles all around. Going up there again. Stuck here. Both way risky, yeah. I have some limits there. Well, I think I'm not gonna wait for this. I think I should just go flat here. Delete my limits. Yeah, I deleted my limits. I don't like this, and I don't want to go long on this one the way like this, especially not the way like this. So, and I don't want to lose my profits, so I'm just gonna wait. Do we have any kind of trend line break here, or any possibility for us to go down? Because I'd like to see that. Because on the 5 minute we can still go all the way up there. ES is still there. I don't know. Nothing there. Nothing. Can we go down again to the 65s? I wonder. I don't know. Not sure. Feels like it just wants to go higher without any retracements. I mean, question is, where is the downside of this? But do they want to dump it? No idea. No way I'm putting my limit orders here and there and there's nothing happening. So typical price action where we are stuck. There's nothing to do. At least if we could have a possible entry, even on a trend line, maybe a trend line break, that would be nice. I would take a short. I would love to take a short on a trend line break. Yesterday it was working out nicely. We have a clean target below 64. But no matter how I do it on the 1 minute, I just have no entry. So I would need, for example, this candle right here to make a nice close below this trend line. Not low close, but a nice one. Right, not gonna happen. Still 30 seconds. Dominic, hello there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So that's what I would be looking for. Still 10 seconds. Let's see how this candle is going to end up. No. So let's watch for this candle. Still not the one I'm looking for. Hope you enjoyed the ultra point plan of the day. Yeah, dude, I was reading it, so I'm going to take another look at it, Dominic. But it's cool. It was awesome. I'm definitely going to dive into that, Dominic. I really liked it, so. I really did, and I'm gonna go over it again. Look at how these candles are holding this trend line. I mean, this trend line is holding these candles. It's pretty awesome if you think about it. Let's see if we get a nice close below. Would be awesome to get one. And might have a nice limit order or something to grab some profits, right, boys and girls? Do you guys think we can still take the London lows? Because that's what I'm aiming for, to be honest. That's what I want to see. To take the London lows. And the time is still, well, almost lunch hour, but we could be around the lows real soon because it's very close down here. Or do they want to push it higher? That's the question. No problem there. Well, we had a few good scalps. I'm waiting for this trend line to show us some break to take out the London lows. If you check the London lows, it's at 62.75 or 63, somewhere there. I'm looking for a scalp maybe there to take it. So far, nothing I can go with. So I guess we just have to wait again. Maybe they try to push this a little bit higher. But I have nothing so far. Nothing, no serious trades going on. And am I going to delete my limit orders, sell stops or anything like that? Because they might be pushing it higher. So that's all what we're watching right now. If it's not going to turn out anyway, then, you know, we're just going to move on and maybe wait for the PM session. I don't know. Not the best PA, that's for sure. Seen better. It's basically stuck here again, so. And it feels like they just want to go sideways. Maybe we have to wait until the macro kicks in. But I don't see anything for now. What are you guys up to? You're long? All right. Yeah, we're in discount area, so definitely have to. That's what I'm looking for. Maybe we have a nice retracement to the upside there, and maybe take a short from that area. But I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna delete my lines here. Yeah, let me delete my lines. I don't like this area. No limit order for sure for me. All right. So we just have to wait. It goes up in the middle of this 5-minute gap, which is great, but I don't know what to do with it. So I might going to reconnect my Quant Tower. I have some delays. I don't know why. Long to 313, nice. From 282, that's great, man. That's awesome. I think we had some, well, we had a market structure ship right now. So that can work out. Careful though. Oops, yeah. As I was expecting it. Sorry guys. Try to refresh the connection there. Until then, while it reconnects, let's check out Trading View. ES also went back up there into the middle. Into the midpoint. So the 5 minute. And also, as I said, we have the London low right here. So I would be curious if we can take that out. Hold on, I might have to close Quant Tower and restart it. Yeah, I have to restart Quant Tower. We were inside of a broadening formation and we're going to take that last high out where TP should be, yeah. Little fish, hey there. 3, 2, 1. Whenever appears, go long from latest lowest low and TP on the latest highs. Yeah, this is just a piece of search and destroy program. Yeah, it is, basically. I just wonder if these London lows are gonna get taken out or not. So that's what I was hoping, you know, down there. That could be an interesting target, but whatever happens, yeah, it's still connecting my Quant Tower, lost connection. So whatever happens, it's gonna be definitely interesting. I might have to close this. No. It is connected. Alright, then I have some kind of a connection issue here. What's the connection issue? Give me a second, guys. Should be ready. Just give me a second. What is wrong with this, man? NQ, that's CME, NQ, NQ. Something's not right here. CME futures. Yeah, it's not good. Something's not good with my connection. I might have to check it out in Rhythmic. Give me a second, guys. Should be alright. I have to log into Rhythmic, check out the connection issue. Happens. They didn't want just yeah. This crappy price action. Yeah, they might be. They might want to protect me from this, which actually is a good idea. I like that. 308, 326. Yeah, it can happen. It can actually happen. Oh no, alright. Alright, so it's working, but I don't know why the quant tower is not connecting. Something's wrong with the quant tower. Anyway. By the way, guys, until we're waiting, feel free to grab some accounts and push the like button. Come on. Tomorrow is Friday, right? So yeah, it's connected, but it doesn't really give me the chart. I don't know why. Alright, now it gives me the chart. I had no idea what was the problem here. I had to reapply the template. There you go. Alright. At least it's working right now. And so let me bring in the micro as well. Okay, cool. Cool. Everything is back to normal. Finally. Finally. Okay, now this one should work out fine. But, you know, nothing has changed, as you can see. Everything is absolutely the same. Everything is the same. Finally, boom. Well, what I can tell at this point is that NQ is not really... Well, it took out a little bit of a fair value gap up there. But if we look at the big picture, let me know what you guys think. It's can it be a seek and destroy? Can we continue higher? If we want to continue higher, we definitely have some targets up there buy side at the 50s. What do you guys think? Should we go to the 50s? Price currently at midnight open. Yes. But is it going to continue to the 50s? What is ES doing? I think ES wants to fight for higher levels. I mean, look at it. It definitely looks like it wants to go for that. So I'd say it can go up absolutely from here. What? I don't know. For me, it seems like they want to bring it higher. But if they want to bring it higher, they should be targeting the 40s maybe. I'd love to see them target the 40s. But no confirmation. And if we look at the 1 minute here or the 5 minute here, well, it's still not enough confirmation. I think the narrative will be to take higher before major. Yes. What's the time when the earnings report come in? Before 4 p.m. Oh yeah, it's gonna be after 4 p.m. It can drive the price both ways very strongly. So do they want to push this or not? Or we're just gonna have a break? I really want to know that. Well, I'm just watching it like paint dry. On the 5 minute we have small gap down there. Can we use this as an inversion maybe? I don't know. Does it want to go down? Took that liquidity right there. Now it seems like it just wants to sell. Well, I'm sorry, but I just have no narrative here. With my retrace here, yeah. I would really like to say that there's a narrative, but I don't see anything evolving here. Had a small trend line break, so I thought that we will see some kind of a break lower, but instead it just wants to go higher. Don't know why. Maybe it wants to go for the 70s, who knows? If that's the case, then we have a long road ahead. All the way up there. I mean, that's a really long road up there. They want to bring it. So one scenario is that I see this high on the 1 minute as a potential target. It has some nice highs, definitely some liquidity resting above the 50s. So we can check that if we see something there, but I don't know. The fact we are still holding inside the 1500 balance looks very good to me. Still long. Yeah, it is definitely a signal that they can deliver it to those highs up there. And I'm referring to that area right up there here. So that can be a possibility. If they want to bring it up there, of course. And that should be at the 50s, definitely. I'm gonna wait a little bit more and see what we can do here. Grab a few accounts, guys. We have some discounts. Don't forget that. Oh, come on. Let's see if where they want to put this. Do they want to put this through the 30s all the way up to the 40s? You should see some action now. Quant Tower is just a piece of shit. I have to close Quant Tower. I might have to open NinjaTrader to check out what's going on here. I just don't like what's going on. Chart trader off. Chart trader off. Okay. All right. Seems like NinjaTrader is working better. Quant Tower is having issues, that's for sure. I don't know why. Some kind of a data issue here. And I still can't understand why is it not giving us the proper let's see, 44s, yeah. I don't know, but it's weird. It's definitely acting weird. There is some data connection issue. The prices are not the same in with Rhythmic as in the so we have a delay. That's very bad. It says 21. The price is not the same, guys. It's absolutely not the same. It's bullcrap. Not the same price. I don't even know if I can trade the way like this. Not good. The data is not good. Let me know if anyone having problem with Rhythmic right now. because all I have right now is, let me check. I have technically nothing. All I'm hoping for is the price to go to all the way to the 40s. So I can't do this. There's a data issue between the platforms. Something wrong, something's off. Something's definitely off here. Maybe there was an update to Quanta. I updated Quanta. I'm using NinjaTrader too. I connected my NinjaTrader to the same Rhythmic account, so Rhythmic has the problem. The price is not the same. So for example, let me show you. On the left side, there's 1 minute, let me show you. So on the left side, there is a 1 minute Nasdaq. On the right side is TradingView. It says 38 while Rhythmic says 33. Can you see? I guess you guys can see it. It says 36 and here's 37. But when price goes away, for example, right now it has 37, it has 34. See that, guys? There's a delay. 35 and it still has 37. Look at that. 38, 35. 35, 37. It's lagging behind. I mean, TradingView is good. But look at that. 38 and 32. What the hell is going on? I can't trade like this. So I checked the same Rhythmic connection. So the problem is with Rhythmic because I logged in with NinjaTrader and Quantower too. So there is a Rhythmic issue, guys. It's not tradable like this. It's bullshit. I'm sorry. Excuse my French. There is an issue here. Now it's at 40 and this is gonna go down to 32. Look at that. This is not good. Untradable. Oh, what the hell. Anyway, I'm not gonna open trade. This is not tradable. I can't log into not with NinjaTrader, not with Quantower. Awesome. They're not moving the same way, so okay. Thank you so much, Rhythmic Trader. I can't do anything with this now. Maybe off stream. Try to refresh everything, re-log in. Anyway, please guys, push the like and subscribe. Also grab some coupon codes and buy some new accounts. I really need the affiliate commission, you know. I'm gonna close the stream. Look at this, 45 and 30. Okay, now it's updating maybe. Look at that. Look at that. Now I think it's good. 40. No, it's not good. Not good. 47, 49. It's not good. It's not the same. 51, 48. No. Anyway, Rhythmic is crashing or something's going on with Rhythmic. It's just lagging behind. All right, guys. Again, thank you so much. It's not tradable like this. You can't trade this. There's 8 points of difference right now in price. So I'm gonna close it here. Hopefully tomorrow it will be fixed. Thank you for joining and see you guys tomorrow in the London session. You know, grab your coupon codes. Rhythmic has wrecked, you know, it's crashing, so it's not my fault. But anyway, we didn't have I didn't really make anything extra, ended up break even, so that is what it is. Join me tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow in the London session. Goodbye, everyone.